Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a Dollar Tree 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. So here we go. All of the materials that we're using today came from Dollar Tree. We have our wooden blocks, our felt numbers, our glass jars, and all of our goodies all together came just under $50. The first thing I'm doing is just unwrapping them. They have a lot of plastic, and I'm just using an X-Acto knife to speed up the process. Now that all of the plastic is off of our wooden blocks, we are now going to start. As you can see, all of them have a wooden shape cut out. We have hearts, butterflies, four-leaf clovers, but I do not like this because it's not Christmas-like. So I am switching them from the front to the back so you cannot see the design, and it's just a blank piece of wood. But as you can see, we can't open them like this, so we're going to fix that in just a second. As you can see, all of our wooden cutouts are facing me back, so we have a blank side, but it is extremely hard to open these drawers, even as an adult, but this is for kids. It's one of two things, because there's nothing to pull and because a lot of them need to be shaven down. So I wanted to find something that you could get from Dollar Tree, and I have the perfect solution. These mini glass jars come in a 6-pack. We're doing 12 days of Christmas, so you only need 2 packs, so $2. We're going to be taking these corks from the glass jars to have them as knobs. I think this is so perfect, and it's a lot cheaper of an option than finding something individual to put on it and costing $1 per box. There are a lot of glue options from Dollar Tree, but I'm just using some wood glue that I had on hand, and I need to let this dry for about 1 to 2 hours. I'm really antsy with these kinds of projects, so I just wanted to do this very quickly and found a little hack by putting them in the freezer, which helped the glue dry a lot faster. The next thing I'm going to do is open up my felt numbers. There are 100 in this pack, so it took me a little bit of time to gather my 12 numbers, but we eventually got them. I thought this was a much better option than painting in case I don't want these numbers on permanently and I want to use this for a different project, so I could easily remove them and there's no sticky adhesive left over. So I thought it was absolutely perfect for this reason. For my calendar, I'm filling up with a lot of toys and candy for my 2 boys. I have a 3 and a 2-year-old. Now, most of my cost came from these items because a lot of the things I found only came in a 1-pack. So if you are trying to save a little bit more money than $50, I recommend finding toys that come in packs of multiples and candies that come in multiples like these Dum Dums. This is where you're going to save a lot of money instead of buying individual things for $1. This next part was definitely the most fun, putting all of the items in the drawers for my kids to pull out for the 12 days of Christmas. There There are so many different things that you can do to elevate this. You can glue all the pieces together so it is an actual cohesive piece. I wanted to keep them separate in case I wanted to do something different with the drawers. Painting this would look really great. I thought about Mod Podging some napkins to make a Christmas look. Also painting the letters if you want it to be a strict calendar only. I do think the knobs are pretty great and is probably the best way to save money. Here I am throwing my kit into the mix to see how well it will stay up. Some of the drawers are hard to get out, like that one he's trying to open now, so this is where the shaving part comes in place. So make sure you're shaving parts of your drawers because some wood pieces get stuck. But look at his smile whenever he opens it up to see what's inside. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do decide to make this, please leave a comment down below. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and I'll see you next time.